Hello everyone, you're welcome again, and here is another thing to take note on 5 billion sales. If you know that you have done your KYC the second time without going through the security check, kindly go and do it again and perform the secret code security check. We have a lot of security check on 5 billion sales right now, so you need to know your secret code. It's very, very important. In fact, you need to know your secret code by their position. You need to know the first one, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth, because 5 billion sales will be asking you about your secret code at interval, maybe anytime you log in or whenever you're doing your KYC. So it's very important that you know your secret code. Send this to your affiliate, your downlines, your friends, and anyone you know that is into 5 billion sales. The failure to perform the secret code security check during your KYC may get your account locked. So you have to read well whenever you are doing anything regarding 5 billion sales business. You have to take your time, pay attention to everything and read, because during the account recovery process, I realized that a lot of people just send the form and they refuse to copy recovery code. It is written there that you are to copy your recovery code because you will need it. The reason why you will need the recovery code is written there, but if you're just doing everything without reading, I'm sorry to say, you will lose a lot of things. You may even lose your account. So whenever you are doing anything on 5 billion sales, ensure you read everything, because it is very, very important right now. You need to be very, very conversant with your secret code, because you will need it for your KYC. And if you refuse to do your security check on the secret code aspect during your KYC, your account may be blocked, and this one is not time bound, so you have to take your time. Ensure you go through the secret code check. It's very important, so your accounts won't be locked, so you will not get this pop-up you're seeing on the screen: sorry, you cannot log in, KYC missed, KYC failed, locked onto recovery.